I'm Gemini. We're about to go live where you can explore complex topics or ideas just by talking. But before, great.
So, guys, you can just speak like everyone. Today, I'm going to tell you a very wonderful thing. So, please be stay till the last because today video is going to be very helpful for you and those learner who really want to learn that language and they don't have any partner. They really want to speak to someone but they are unable to find anyone and speak with that person. So today I will show you one app. It's not a chat gpt. Through the chat gpt you can also learn that language, but I have a wonderful one app where you can share your views, ideas and just make the conversation in english, and that would be a very fine, and you will learn lot of things from that app. So be stay in that video, I will show you what is that. Okay, by the way, I am on the roof. Okay, so today I'm just try to make the video open place, and my outside in front of to my eyes there's a lot of gathering. We can say that there's a lot of people who are walking on their roof and they are watching to me, and I'm a little bit nervous because I had given a challenge to myself. I have to record a session in open place. We can say that that is a public speaking where people are watching you, where people are looking you what you are doing in alone place in front of the camera, and I little bit shy. You can just see the. So I am little bit shy. I don't know why. I always. I always tell to my all video, I am very confident person. I have a confidence. I can speak anywhere, but it is very difficult for me to speaking in front of the camera, to saying anything else in front of the camera, and people are shaking you. People are peeping you. What she is actually doing, and you know what, guys? To be honest, here is one of girl who is watching me what she is doing in front of the camera. I don't know why, but I just thought I have to ignore that all are things. Okay, just I'm going to share you one thing here, and that is very nice. Okay, once you just try to learn that things, and when you just try to learn english, and if you're really alone and if you don't have any partner to speak someone, so of course you can just do such types of thing, and you can do that. It's the funniest way. Okay, but I just try. I just show you. That is one app. The app is that Gemini. Okay, it is, yeah, it is working like that, and uh, that name is that Gemini. Okay, I just show you on the screen. That is Gemini, and here you can just see. Hello Mansi. Okay, so I start. Hello, how are you?
As a large language model, I don't experience feelings or states like humans do. So I don't get tired or happy in the same way. However, I'm functioning well and ready to help you with any questions or tasks you have. How can I assist you today?
Okay, can you please give me a short answer? I really want to make a conversation with you in English. अभी ये सुन नहीं पाया. I speak again. Can you please give me a short answer? Can you please give me a short answer?
Of course, I'm ready. What's your question?
I really want to make a conversation with you in English because I want to improve my English. I really want to make a conversation with you in English because I want to improve my English.
Great. I'm happy to help you improve your English. Let's start with something simple. Tell me about your day so far. What have you been doing?
My day has been going very good so far, and how is your day going on?
That's excellent to hear. As I
Where we improve our English today. I am unable to speak English, but I'm just trying. Okay, let's start it. Watch this video till the end, and you can do same thing at your home. We have to click here. Hello, how are you?
As a large language model, I don't experience feelings or have a physical
He
body,
is
so
it
I
is
don't get
machine.
tired or well in the human sense. However, I'm functioning correctly and ready
I
to
have to
assist you
stop,
with any
okay?
questions.
Okay, can you please give me a little answer?
Of course. Please ask your question, and I'll do my best to give you a concise answer.
How can say how are you in different way? How can say how are you in different way?
You can say, how are you, in many different ways, depending on the context and your relationship with the person. Here are a few options. Formal, how do you do? How are you faring? I hope this message finds you well. Informal, how's it going? What's up? How are things? How are you doing? You alright? What's new? How?
Okay.
Hi, I'm Gemini. We're about to go live where you can explore complex topics or ideas just by talking. But before, great.
So, guys, you can just speak like a way. Okay, whatever you want to ask, whatever you want to say with someone, because we always say, if anybody asks to us how are you, we always say I'm okay. Okay, I'm okay, and I'm fine, I'm good. But if you really want to say different things, of course you have idea, you can ask whatever you want to do. But now I'm going to make a conversation with Jimny. How can I start? Now I want to make a conversation with you. Can you please help me?
Yes, I can help you have a conversation. I'm ready. What would you like to talk about? You can start by asking me a question, telling me a story, or just sharing your thoughts. I'll do my best to respond thoughtfully and keep the conversation going.
Thank you so much for helping me. By the way, how are you? Thank you so much for helping me. By the way, how are you?
As an I don't experience feelings in the same way humans do. So, I don't have good or
It
bad
doesn't have
days. But
experience.
I am functioning correctly and ready to help you with any questions you may have. I'm glad to be able to assist you.
Okay. Please make me a conversation with me. Can you please ask me some question? Please make me a conversation with me. Can you please ask me some question? I'm able to give the answer of that all question.
Alright, let's start a conversation. To get us going, I'll ask you a few questions. 1. What's something interesting you've learned recently? 2. If you could travel anywhere in the world right now, where would you go and why? 3. What's a hobby or activity you enjoy that helps you relax? I'm looking forward to hearing your answers. And yes, I'm ready to answer any questions you have for me as well.
Okay. So, can you ask me one by one? Can you ask me one by one?
Of course. Let's take it one question at a time. Question 1. What's something interesting you've learned recently?
Okay, I just want to give the answer, and please make me correct if I made any mistake. So, yeah, your question is that what's something interesting you have learned recently? So now I am working on my fluency. I really want to become a fluent speaker, so that's why I'm just working on my English speaking, and now I'm learning a lot to try to improve myself. Now you just tell me, how can I give the answer proper way of that question?
That's a fantastic goal. Working on fluency is a worthwhile endeavor. You're already on the right track. Here's a breakdown of how you could refine your answer, along with some tips. Analyzing your answer. I'm working on my fluency. This is a clear and direct statement. I really want to become a fluent A speaker. Here's where we can make a small correction. It should be a fluent English speaker. So that's why I'm just working on my English speaking. This is repetitive. We can combine it with the first point. And now I'm learning a lot to try to improve myself. This is a good closing statement, but we can make it more specific. Refined answer examples. Here are a few ways to improve your answer, depending on how detailed you want to be. Short and direct. Recently, I've been focusing on improving my English fluency. More detailed. Recently, I've been learning various techniques to improve my English speaking fluency, such as practicing conversations and expanding my vocabulary, including a specific example.
बहुत बोलता है यार ये। तो इसको आपको पता है कंट्रोल में करना है। कंट्रोल में कैसे करना है आपको? आप सीधे बोल सकते हो, कैन वी स्टार्ट अ शॉर्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन?
Yes, let's have a short conversation. How's your day going so far?
My day is going so good so far. What about your day? My day is going so good. What about your day?
Hello Mansi. The time is 5:57 p.m. You've found the new good morning routine. Let's try it together. First, let's see what your day looks like. In Kanpur it's 31 and sunny. Today, it'll be sunny with a high
It is
of
talking
33
about day.
and a low of
But
7.
I don't want that types of answer
Here's a
from that
joke to
side.
start your
I
morning.
have to stop this.
This one is an acquired taste. What do shrimps sing for Christmas? Chinga bells.
Oh my god. Sometimes it irritate you, but sometimes it just give you a best answer like that. If you really want to vocab, okay, then you can also start work. Um
And just so you know, you can customize.
I just want a next one. Can you help me?
I can definitely try to help. To give you the best assistance, I need a little more information. Could you please tell me?
Can you please tell me some little vocab where I can use in our conversation?
Absolutely. Here are some versatile and slightly elevated vocabulary words you can weave into everyday conversation, along with examples, to add emphasis or express feelings. Indeed,
So that is the work of we can say that Gemini app, where you can just use a conversation video, where you can just make a, yeah, where you can just make a conversation video. And if you really want to do something, then of course you can do, because while interacting with people like that, now I'm just recording a session with co-learners and learner. So I just missing something, what they are asking. I am able to give the answer, but not a proper constructive, not a proper sentence. So I can correct myself before coming to session. So what you have to do, if you really want to make a conversation with anyone, so first you can just take a demo with the Gemini app. So Gemini app just help you how can you translate the word. And now I'm just also or doing a such types of fabulous work in my site like that. I'm also using a chat GPT, that's also helped me a lot. AI tool that's also helped me a lot, where I really want to use some different types of idiom in my conversation. If I don't know how to recall that idiom, then I just start practice a lot. I just make a lot of sentence with the help of this idiom, and that really helped me. Okay, so that's why I'm saying that's a very helpful things. Okay, you don't have to need to go anywhere, you don't have to need to do something else, and you don't need to just spend a single penny to improve your fluency, because nowadays you have such a fabulous thing. You can do whatever you want to do it. So please try to do that, and don't make excuses. I don't have any partner, I don't have anyone. You can do. And one thing is that if you really want to make a conversation video with me, so please drop me mail mansibusby82 at the rate gmail.com, where I'm just having a conversation with people. If you are learner, so not an issue, you can connect with me. I just treat you like a learner. Okay, so please don't be hesitate, just send me just drop me a mail, and definitely I will connect you, because I really want to connect with you. Okay, so that is a very, we can say that, beautiful chance you have. You can speak English without spend any single penny. But one thing just point at your mind, you should have patience, you should have we can say that consistency, because that matters a lot. And if you don't have patience, then of course you cannot do that, you cannot learn that language. Just try to like that in that, देखा मैं भूल रही हूँ, है ना, मैं रट के नहीं आई हूँ, बट फिर भी मैं भूल रही हूँ, बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू आई एम इन ओपन प्लेस. सो नाउ द इवनिंग टाइम, सो दे आर द पीपल अराउंड मी, एंड दे आर वॉचिंग मी, and but that video I'm going to finish. Now I'm going to just cut this recording, and I will upload this video soon. And बहुत बोल रही हूँ मैं जा रही हूँ. Bye bye, take care, have a good day. If any comment you want to delivered here, and by the mistake if I made any mistakes, of course please let me know in the comment section. I will correct this mistake in my next session. Bye bye, take care, have a good day. Please don't break your consistency, speak a lot, and bas, that's it. Bye bye, good day, have a good day.